In this box here is a 4K dash cam from Mangoal, and today I'm going to install it in my Honda Civic and show you how it's done. In the box you get some instructions and some zip ties and everything in there. I also got the OBD2 connector to power the dash cam. This is the rear dash cam with a bunch of cords so it can route all the way to the back of the car. And then right in here we have the actual dash cam. Everything feels like super high quality. It's all packaged very nicely. I'm excited to get this thing in and see how it looks when it's in the car. All right, so far we've got the camera put in there and the OBD wire going through up here in the headliner and then down the side along the trim. And then right down here, there's already a little hole there where it can pop out right there. So next I'm going to tie up as much of this cable as I need to and then zip tie it up here somewhere out of the way so that I can reach the OBD across over here to where the actual port is. Check this out, you can see the OBD is right there plugged in, routed all the way through here up to the actual camera up there. This worked super well. Obviously you can't see the cords anywhere except for right up there by the actual camera, and of course the camera itself looks very OEM. It looks really, really good. Next we're going to connect this rear camera, and this one looks like it's going to be a bit more difficult because back there it gets a little bit tricky and I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that, but we're going to figure it out. Alright, I tried to film all of this, but my phone was glitching out a little bit, so I didn't actually capture any of it, but I'll show you how I did it. So I got the rear camera put in. It's in a little adhesive on the back there, and I took that cord and threw it back and forth up here to get rid of some of the length, because it's a smaller car than most. And so after that, you can see the cord up there. I'm going to clean that up a little bit in just a second. And then I ran it through the trim all the way up back to the actual camera. So now that's all in there, just about seamless. I think it's pretty good. This dash cam also comes with a micro SD card that pops in on the side of the camera right up there. Alrighty, we got everything installed. Now we got the front camera in, all the wires routed up here, OBD down there, and then the rear camera all the way back there. And originally I put it in upside down. I learned, I hooked it up to the app, the Skycam app, and then I saw that the back one was upside down. So I flipped it around and woo, there's a tripod. And now it's all in properly. You can see that there. All right, here we go. Now we're in the app. You can see me on the live view already. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Look at that right there. All right, so the front camera, obviously it works right there. Flip it sideways here. Flip to the rear camera. Boom, there it is. Here's a couple of clips from the cameras while actually driving down the road. They all look super clear. Great quality for sure. The rear camera is really clear as well, and it looks great at night too. Got a couple clips from that as well, and looks great. Alright, so there we have it. The dash cams are in. They work really well. They look super cool. Huge thanks to Mangoal for sending me this dash cam. This is super cool. I really appreciate it. If you're interested in buying a Mangoal dash cam, there will be a link in the description to where you can buy one of those. I highly recommend it because it's really cool. It's a great thing to have in your car, you know. If you're involved in an accident or even just see a crazy accident, then you have video proof of what happened and who's at fault. Thanks for watching. That'll be all for this video. If you want to see more videos about this Honda Civic, you can click right up here. And if you want to see more cool videos from this channel, you can click right up here for that, and I will see you over there.